Hey everyone, it's Janome Man, aka Michael Smith, and I'm here at the Janome Sewing and Learning Center in my classroom to reveal the fabulous Janome Quilt Maker Pro Versa. As you can imagine, Versa means versatility. So Janome has another long arm quilting machine in their arsenal to help you get your UFOs done quicker and easier than ever. Now, don't be intimidated. It only comes in 2 boxes. This box is your table box. And here is your fabulous Versa table. Yes, Versa means the machine head will be here in the table, and this table can be set up for standing, so you can adjust your quilt, do all your quilting standing, or you can lower the table to sit down. So if you're a sit-down quilter, you like to quilt on your domestic sewing machine, but you want bigger, more space, then the Versa is for you. You can lower this table and sit down at maybe one of our fabulous arrow chairs so you can quilt in comfort. So whatever kind of quilter you are, a stand-up or sit-down, the Versa will accommodate. Now the machine head itself, again, it's only 2 boxes. So here is the machine head, and you will see it is in a separate box saying, Versa quilting machine. It's an 18-inch throat space, just like our Quilt Maker Pro 18 big long arm quilting frame. So you get that same size head, but on the Versa table. When I open, the big reveal, the packaging, I'm always so impressed on how well packaged these machines are. So here is your Versa head. Again, 18-inch throat space. Everything is securely packaged. Things like, yes, a bobbin winder are included here with the machine head. And I was so impressed. This is your LCD screen. Ooh, that touch of red. You know, Janome's color is red, so how perfect is that? So all the instructions and everything you need to get started, including a little bag with some thread, all your bobbins, the instructions, everything you need to get started. All you need is your actual quilt. So simple, so easy to do. And there's more. The wonderful thing about the Versa system is, in this little box, what could be revealed, is the table insert. This goes around the throat of the machine in the table, and it is a built-in stitch regulator. So as you're doing your free motion quilting, you have a built-in stitch regulator. So it's like quilting with training wheels. So how perfect is that? So you will see more of the fabulous Quilt Maker Pro Versa in upcoming Janome HQ YouTube videos and Janome HQ Instagram Live for our Magical Machine Mystery Tour. At some point, I will feature this. Exactly when? Oh, it's always a mystery. So make sure that you follow our Janome HQ and Janome Canada social media so you will see more of the fabulous Janome Quilt Maker Pro Versa, and also consult your fabulous Janome dealer. So I will see you again soon. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy sewing!